these are the PFS 2000, 3000 and the 5000 electric spray guns which are running via a blower, not a compressor. Thus they are more compact, lightweight, portable and easier to use and work with. These spray guns make DIY projects effortless, quick, cost-effective and enjoyable. These spray guns are ideal for large projects, uneven and rough surfaces. They apply an even distribution of lacquer, glazes and oil paints. So which one should you choose? There are 3 different types here. The entry level is ideal for use in the outside garden areas and for interior walls. It's an entry level system with an application rate of 1.5 square meters per minute. It's simple, lightweight, easy to use. It's for the entry level DIY activity. Then moving over to the PFS 3000, this has a higher application rate of 2 square meters per minute. It weighs slightly more as it weighs 2.8 kgs versus the 2 kilo 2000 unit. This is suitable for more complex jobs where you require a higher flow rate and a higher pressure from the blower. Then moving over to the larger unit, which is more suitable for your professional application. It has a higher flow rate and a higher application rate of 3 square meters per minute. This is suitable for larger jobs where you've got more work to get through. Because this is a more powerful unit running at 1200 watts, it can also handle different viscosities without having to thin the paint down, whereas the previous 2 run at 440 watts and 650 watts. So you've got to choose whichever is the most suitable for your application. Entry level, outside garden fences and furniture and simple interior walls. Slightly bigger projects, more complex projects where you want a higher application rate, and then the more professional range, which is not going to be a carry around, which you're going to use for your bigger projects like spraying roofs or large walls and large surfaces. One of the main benefits of using a spray gun is you're not going to get any brush strokes, but you have got to control your application rate to avoid runs and too much paint being applied to the surface. You're going to get that professional look from a spray gun. If you like this product information, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our channel where you'll get notifications of similar products coming out with all the tips and tricks.